All right, our first asset class that we're gonna cover is growth stocks. Now, this is where we're expecting the company's revenue and earnings to grow faster than the average of the market. What kind of size level do you have with growth stocks? Because you're gonna have large cap growth, mid cap growth, and small cap growth. They're gonna be your normal kind of growth categories. If you look exchange traded funds, mutual funds, you'll see these usually break down into one of these three buckets. Large cap growth stocks are going to have a market capitalization over 10 billion. Market capitalization, aka market cap, is going to be the share price times the number of shares outstanding. So large cap growth is going to be 10 billion of market cap or higher. Mid cap growth is going to be in that $2 to $10 billion range of market cap. And then small is going to be anything below 2 million in market cap. So let's talk about risk. So with growth stocks, you're going to fall in that like medium to high risk category with growth stocks. The larger the size of the company, more than likely the less risky it is. The smaller the company, the more risk it usually is. So what are some examples of growth stocks? So large cap growth, you have your Amazons, you got your Googles. Mid cap growth would be like a Yeti, and then a small cap growth might be like a Goosehead Insurance. These are type of growth companies and where they fit within market cap